Coconut? What's that?
That one.
What Mommy's drinking?
Yeah.
How
You
about,
put it in there?
how about if I put water in there?
No water.
How about
It's
some?
coconut.
How about
Put,
some apple juice in there?
no, just coconut in there.
And how about some milk?
I don't like the milk in there.
How about some orange juice?
I don't like it. Also, put that in my cup. Can you get me that? Can you? Put up there. Put it in my cup. Put it. I picked one for you. Cheese. Can I see Mommy?